In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bluebeam Tool Chest. If you're new to Bluebeam Revu, the tool chest is your personal toolbox for markups. It keeps your most used symbols, stamps, and annotations ready so you don't have to recreate them over and over. By the end of this short walkthrough, you'll have the tool chest visible and ready to go, and you'll know where to manage the tool sets that live inside it. Start by opening Bluebeam Revu on your computer. Give it a moment to load so all the interface elements appear. Once you're in, look to the top of the window for the menu bar. You're going to navigate through the menus to turn on the tool chest panel, go to View, then hover over tabs and click Tool Chest. This path tells Revu to display the tool chest interface if it isn't already visible. When you click it, the tool chest panel will open on the side of your workspace. Depending on your setup, it might appear on the left or the right, but it will dock neatly along the edge so it's easy to reference while you work. You'll notice it's organized into sections that can include things like recent tools or my tools. These sections help you quickly find markups you've used before or saved for future projects, which is a great time saver when you're reviewing drawings and need consistent symbols or callouts. If you'd like to organize what appears there, look toward the top of the tool chest panel for a small gear icon. Clicking the gear opens options to add or manage toolsets. A toolset is simply a collection of related markups you want to keep together, such as electrical symbols, review stamps, or custom callouts for your team. From here, you can add new sets, adjust existing ones, and keep everything tidy so the tools you need are always at your fingertips. This is especially helpful if you work across different project types or want to standardize markups with your team. And that's it. With the tool chest panel open on the side, it's now available for use. As you continue working in Revu, you'll notice how much faster it is to pull a markup from the tool chest instead of recreating it. Keep this panel visible during your sessions, and when you're ready to refine your workflow, revisit the gear icon to curate tool sets that match the way you work. You're all set to start marking up more efficiently in Bluebeam Revu.